To the corridors of justice, where convicted former Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu has gotten a major relief after he was released on a bond of 50 million shillings.
He has been released pending the hearing of his appeal.
Elsewhere, Kenyan national Margaret Nduta's death sentence in Vietnam has been commuted to life imprisonment.
Our reporter Catherine Imuraget brings us this and other court stories.
After spending 5 months at community maximum prison, former Kiambu Governor Ferdinand Waititu alias Babayao is now a free man. This after High Court Judge Lucy Njuguna released him on a bond of 53 million shillings pending the hearing of his appeal. Waititu was convicted over 588 million shillings graft case in February this year. Waititu has filed a new application to amend his petition to introduce new evidence and additional grounds in support of his case. The former governor was sentenced to 12 years in a prison or pay 52.5 million shillings fine after he was found guilty of conflict of interest in the case. Waititu was also barred from vying for any political seat for 7 years. Still in court, Judge Francis Rayola has asked the Office of the Director of Criminal Prosecutions to file a fresh affidavit within 7 days. This comes after lawyers of 15 suspects charged in the kidnapping and murder of 2 Indian nationals linked to President William Ruto's campaign and their Kenyan taxi driver argue that their clients have been denied their rights.
And then ruling on bail bond will be delivered on 8th of September 2025.
Elsewhere, the family of Margaret Nduta, who was sentenced to death over drug trafficking, can now breathe a sigh of relief after the conviction was commuted to life imprisonment. This has been confirmed by Kenya's Foreign Affairs Principal Secretary Korir Siongei. According to the PS, the move followed intervention from the government of Kenya. Nduta was found guilty of carrying 2 kilos of narcotics on arrival in Vietnam. And finally, ex-disciplined forces officer Patrick Nyambaka Osoi and Jackson Kihara alias Kop Shakur, former prisons service officer, both linked into a movement dubbed Fighting Brutality and Impunity FBI, will remain in custody until August 7th, 2025. Kahawa Law Courts has directed. Osoi was arrested on July 29th after the movement went viral, where he and other ex-police officers were seen in Jungle Green, said to be those of special forces. His counterpart Kihara was arrested on July 30, 2025 at the Kahawa Law Court's premises by the DCI officers who were trailing him. Catherine Imuraget, KTN.
Moving on, a plainclothes police officer